Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Bryce, Turf Program Director here at Real Turf Solutions, and today we're going to do a Tuesday tip over those mechanical timers that if you have an outdoor light system that we've installed, or maybe you have an outdoor light system that someone else installed and it's got a mechanical timer in there, or maybe you're even in the process of considering doing outdoor landscape lights, and whenever you get ready to do that project, we'll install one of these timers. So today I'm going to kind of go over this timer a little bit and explain kind of the process of setting this timer up, so that way whenever you do have that either installed or already had that installed, you can kind of know how to adjust the time on that for the seasonal change. So anyway, we're going to kind of further explain this timer. If you have one of these actually in your landscape lights, or maybe like I said, probably looking to have landscape lights installed. So basically it's a pretty simple little timer. This timer would actually go inside of your outdoor light transformer box, so it won't be quite as accessible, but you can also pull this thing out. It doesn't actually have to be plugged in when adjusting this thing, because pretty much once you plug it in, it actually starts working, so it's not like you have to actually have it plugged in at the time. So, but anyways, you have a couple different pins. You have a green and a red, and as most of you know, green means go, red means stop. So you would basically want to take this pin and place it where you would want the time to come on. So of course you have AM, and you also have PM, and so in most cases with landscape lights, you would want to do somewhere probably around 6 o'clock or so. So you would want to take this green pin and you'd want to place it right there on the 6, or close to the 6 as possibly can. They have kind of little lines in this. All right, so now what that is once this timer spins around, and we'll get to a little further on how to adjust the time on this thing, but once it spins around, it will actually, the green pin will actually turn the lights on. So from that point, then you would want to decide what kind of end time do you want for your lights to go off. So do you want them to go on for, a couple hours, or do you want to go on all night? So then what you would do is you take your red pin and you would place that, and in most cases for us, when we set these up, we do midnight. So you'd place the pin on midnight. So now what that is that it's allowing this timer to tell the lights to come on at 6 o'clock p.m. and go off at 12 o'clock a.m. So now if you wanted to do another time, so let's say you go to work early in the morning, you want them to come on, around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, you can do so by doing the same thing. You could take a green pin and place it at 5 a.m. and then you take a red pin and place it around 7. That way it goes off right around time sun comes up. So, and this process can be done even during the time change. So for example, if you want to change your start time, because we all know like in the summertime, obviously it starts getting dark around 9 and 8:30, 9 o'clock sometimes. So you'd want to take this green pin and you'd want to change it to around 8:30, 8 o'clock time frame. That way until the lights will come on when it actually starts getting dark in the summertime. Wintertime, you'd back it back to 6, 5:30, 6 o'clock. So that way every time that it's always going to have this time. So, but once you kind of get an idea of where you want your pins to be at that point, then you could actually plug this thing into your timer, into your transformer, and then you would have, on your transformer, also have a line that would run in to the side of this thing that would actually tell it, basically gives this power. But from there, what you would do is then you would take your time and you want to figure out what time it is. So like, for example, it's 12:57. So I'd want to look on here and realize, okay, so I'm at 12 a.m. So let me spin this on around. And you'll start seeing how close you get to the 12. So then you would go just past the 12 and we'd get right there and you got 1. So obviously black is PM and the white on this thing is AM. So now that we've reached 12 o'clock, we've transitioned into the black because it's 12 o'clock p.m. or 1 o'clock p.m. currently almost. And so then we would put that on 1 o'clock and let it set for that. So now what happens is this timer being plugged in with power mechanically operates. So this thing does not actually know exactly that it's 1 o'clock, but I'm telling it it's 1 o'clock by adjusting this dial. So now from this point, it's going to continue to work like a clock would and spin for basically 60 seconds and then change, 60 seconds change. So it's going to continue to operate around. And so I wanted to show you for example. So let's just say as the clock spins and we get on from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and as we get closer to 6 o'clock, our pins right here. So now as we enter 6 o'clock mode, it's going to flip the switch on. And at this point, the lights come on, and the lights will continue to stay on through the rest of the evening until it reaches the 12 And then at that point, it would actually flip them off, and your lights will be off until the next day at 6 o'clock, or if you have a time set. So it's pretty simple. I know everybody kind of, when you think about these things, they always seem kind of complicated. So if you're a customer of ours that does landscape lights, and you're kind of just curious of how you can adjust the time on this thing, or if you want to adjust the time on this thing, I try to do a little video to kind of show you that information. But if we can help you further with this, if you have any more questions, maybe you're a client of ours we did this installation for, or maybe you're someone that somebody else did this installation for, and you've been curious of how to adjust that time on that, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you, walk you through that process. I hope this video helps you with that. But if not, you can always give us a call here at 478-988-0043. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing y'all next time.